Hey everyone, so as you can tell, this is another design with the collab that I'm doing with Tammy over at Tammy's Money's. So today's theme is reindeer, so it's going to be super easy, super quick, and it's all just going to be very self-explanatory. So I will stick some music on and then I'll come back at the end and yeah, we'll have a look and see what it created. Okay, see you on the other side, bye! Okay, so that's the finished design there. It's super quick and super easy. So the stickers I used from Charlie's nail art, and as you know, I've done the stamping. So let me know your thoughts down below on what you think of this one. I wanted to keep it quite simple. So yeah, I'm not sure about this white stamp on the green. I don't know if I should have used gold or not. I'm unsure. Anyway, I will post glossy and matte pictures at the end. Please head over and check out Tammy's video as well. I will link it down below. And if you're not subscribed to both of us, please consider subscribing. We'd love you to join us. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed my video today, and hopefully we will see you tomorrow. Until then, take care, stay safe, and